Do you ever wonder where the world's wealthiest individuals choose to live? Picture gated communities so exclusive that only the elite can afford to call them home. These luxurious neighborhoods boast stunning homes, unparalleled views, and cutting-edge security, offering more than just a place to stay. They offer an experience like no other. In this video, we'll take you through the top 8 most exclusive gated communities on the planet, where billionaires and celebrities find their ultimate sanctuary. Let's dive in. 1. Beverly Park, Los Angeles, USA. First up, we have Beverly Park, an iconic gated community nestled in the scenic hills of Los Angeles. If you think luxury living in LA couldn't get any better, think again. Beverly Park is a private haven covering over 250 acres and home to some of the most jaw-dropping estates in the United States. Imagine properties that start at $20 million, with some of the most extravagant mansions reaching well over $100 million. This exclusive neighborhood is made up of 2 sections, North and South Beverly Park, and is known for its sprawling estates often exceeding 20,000 square feet. Think Mediterranean villas, French chateaus, and modern masterpieces, all featuring private tennis courts, expansive pools, guest houses, and home cinemas. With a 24/7 guarded entrance and tight security, residents are guaranteed utmost privacy. A-list celebrities like Justin Bieber, Mark Wahlberg, Denzel Washington, and Eddie Murphy call Beverly Park home. If you've ever dreamed of living in the lap of Hollywood luxury, Beverly Park is the place to be. 2. The Peak, Hong Kong. Next, let's talk about the Peak in Hong Kong, a place where luxury takes on an entirely new meaning. Located atop Victoria Peak, this neighborhood boasts one of the most coveted addresses in the world, with properties regularly fetching prices over $50 million, and sometimes exceeding $100 million. Not only does the Peak offer incredible views of Victoria Harbor and Hong Kong's stunning skyline, but also features some of the most beautiful architecture you'll find anywhere in the world. From stately mansions to ultra-luxe apartments, every residence here is designed to perfection, featuring private elevators, infinity pools, and spacious, open-plan interiors. The area has historical significance too, with many properties dating back to the British colonial era. Notable residents, like Alibaba co-founder Jack Ma, have added to the Peak's status as the ultimate luxury address. 3. Emirates Hills, Dubai, UAE. Dubai is known for its extravagant lifestyle, and Emirates Hills perfectly embodies that. Often referred to as the Beverly Hills of Dubai, this gated community offers luxury living on another level. Located around the prestigious Montgomery Golf Course, Emirates Hills is home to some of the most exclusive villas in the world, with prices ranging from $6 million to over $50 million, depending on size and location. The villas here come with all the bells and whistles: private cinemas, fully equipped gyms, infinity pools, and lush gardens. Security is a top priority, with surveillance systems and access control in place 24/7, ensuring residents enjoy total privacy. Celebrities and business moguls from around the world, including Vinod Adani, choose Emirates Hills for its combination of luxury, exclusivity, and security. For those who seek the ultimate in lavish living, Emirates Hills is truly a dream come true. 4. Quinta do Lago, Algarve, Portugal. Next on our list is Quinta do Lago, located in the breathtaking Algarve region of Portugal. Spanning over 2,000 acres of land, this luxury community is set within the stunning Ria Formosa Nature Reserve. Here, you'll find a mix of traditional Portuguese estates, modern villas, and contemporary homes, with prices ranging from $3 million to $20 million for some of the most prestigious properties. What makes Quinta do Lago stand out? It offers more than just a home. It's a lifestyle. The community is packed with world-class amenities, including multiple championship golf courses, fine dining restaurants, wellness centers, and private beach access. Outdoor activities such as horseback riding, water sports, and nature walks are available to all residents, making it an ideal location for those who appreciate a combination of luxury and nature. With its elite clientele of athletes, celebrities, and successful entrepreneurs, Quinta do Lago is the perfect place to live the good life in Portugal. 5. Sandy Lane, Barbados. Nestled on the pristine west coast of Barbados, Sandy Lane is the ultimate Caribbean luxury destination. A blend of natural beauty and exclusivity, this community is known for its stunning beachfront villas and sprawling estates, with prices ranging from $5 million to a whopping $30 million. The stunning views of the turquoise waters, lush tropical gardens, and white sandy beaches are just the beginning. Sandy Lane offers access to the famous Sandy Lane Golf Club, luxury spas, and gourmet dining experiences. Celebrities, athletes, and business tycoons flock to Sandy Lane for its privacy and unparalleled luxury. Rihanna made headlines when she splurged $22 million on a beachfront villa here, and it's easy to see why. Sandy Lane is the epitome of Caribbean chic, offering the perfect mix of exclusivity, comfort, and natural beauty. 6. St. George's Hill, Surrey, UK. Nestled in the lush green hills of Surrey, UK, St. George's Hill stands as one of the most prestigious and ultra-exclusive gated communities in the region. Known for its breathtaking views and serene surroundings, this luxury enclave attracts the elite, offering the perfect blend of privacy, tranquility, and accessibility to London. The area is home to a range of architectural masterpieces, with many properties valued at over $30 million. From traditional English manors to sleek, contemporary estates, the community has something for every taste, as long as you can afford it. St. George's Hill is more than just a collection of high-end homes. It's a complete lifestyle experience. The community boasts a private 18-hole golf course, tennis club, and beautiful lakes, providing residents with ample opportunities for leisure and recreation. Security is a priority, with advanced surveillance systems and patrolling guards ensuring the privacy and safety of its residents. The area has long been home to celebrities, with music legend John Lennon once residing here. Its combination of rural peace and quick access to London makes it an attractive option for the ultra-wealthy looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life without being too far from its cultural and business offerings. St. George's Hill remains a haven for the world's most affluent individuals. 7. Sentosa Cove, Singapore. Sentosa Cove is one of the most prestigious and exclusive gated communities in Southeast Asia, located on the picturesque Sentosa Island in Singapore. Known for its stunning waterfront properties, Sentosa Cove offers homes that blend modern minimalist architecture with tropical-inspired designs. Many of these properties even feature private berths for yachts, providing direct access to the water for those who enjoy a luxurious maritime lifestyle. Prices for homes in Sentosa Cove start at SGD 15 million, about $11 million, and can easily surpass SGD 30 million, $22 million, for the most opulent mansions, making it one of the most expensive areas to live in Singapore. The interiors of these homes are nothing short of spectacular, with state-of-the-art smart home systems, infinity pools, and expansive floor plans that maximize the tropical surroundings. Sentosa Cove also offers a range of exclusive amenities, including world-class golf courses, private beaches, luxury spas, and fine dining restaurants, all within the safety and serenity of a gated community. With 24/7 security and top-tier privacy, it provides a safe haven for billionaires seeking a peaceful retreat from the fast-paced city life. Sentosa Cove perfectly combines luxury with tropical beauty, making it an ideal choice for the ultra-wealthy looking for the ultimate lifestyle in Singapore. 8. Porto Montenegro, Montenegro. Rounding out our list is Porto Montenegro, a luxurious development located on the Adriatic coast in Montenegro. Known for its exclusive superyacht marina, Porto Montenegro is home to a select group of elite yacht owners, with property prices starting at 10 million euros, $12 million, for premium waterfront villas and penthouses. This gated community features a 450-berth marina, along with high-end boutiques, fine dining restaurants, wellness centers, and the Porto Montenegro Yacht Club. Residents enjoy a Mediterranean lifestyle with top-notch security and privacy, making Porto Montenegro the ultimate destination for those who seek the best of both luxury living and access to the open sea. With involvement from Bernard Arnault, CEO of LVMH, Porto Montenegro has gained a reputation as one of the most prestigious gated communities on the planet. And there you have it. The top 8 most exclusive gated communities on the planet, where luxury, privacy, and security meet at the highest level. From the breathtaking hills of Los Angeles to the serene shores of the Adriatic, these neighborhoods are more than just places to live. They're true sanctuaries for the world's billionaires and celebrities. Each community offers a unique blend of elegance, comfort, and ultimate exclusivity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exclusive content like this. We appreciate your support. And, as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.